This video is to help you review the 44 sounds of the English language. And to help you prepare for the quiz, I'm using the exact flashcards here that you will see when we do the quiz. So hopefully that'll be helpful and help you feel comfortable and confident about this quiz. And hearing me say the sounds, hopefully I'm going to be able to make the clipped ones clipped and the continuous ones continuous so you can hear those differences. So here we go. P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, F, V, Z, sh, zh, like television, zh, like nose, like ring, ring, l, y, w, a, I, which is pretty much a short U. We just slide over it in a syllable so you can say E, A, I, O, U, or oo, or, ow, R, oi, air, ear, like foot, oo, like food. Oh, that's it. Okay. Hopefully that'll be helpful to you.